Welcome to the quickest online competition in the world. So we are in the fifth edition of this one, and this video is to explain you all rules, all regulations about the fifth edition of this competition. Before that, I used to send all competition by text to participants, but even that, they always have difficulties to understand well what it was said. So this is the reason why it is important to make a video about that, to explain you in person all details, all conditions, all rules, all regulations about the fifth edition of this competition. So I'm gonna read them and explain after, so it will be easier for you to understand. You will pay attention in what I'm gonna explain and don't ask me about what I already explained, please. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the first rules. The competition will take place on the YouTube channel of the Krak Teminato online competition. The winner will receive $1,000. The second will receive $600, and the third one will receive $400. I'm gonna read again. The competition will take place on the YouTube channel of the Krak Teminato online competition. The winner will receive $1,000. The second will receive $600, and the third one will receive $400. I think that there is nothing to explain. It is very clear about the first rules of the Krak Teminato online competition. So we're gonna go to the second rules of the competition. Choose the beat you like from those one I sent you. Play the beat with another player. Film yourself with one phone to make the video and send it to me. The video should not be edited. You can place people around of you or behind you. Okay? So what it said in this condition, I'm gonna send you several types, several beats, a couple of beats. So you're gonna listen to them one by one to see which one of them do you like. You're gonna choose only one. Okay? And for making the video, you're gonna use only one phone. Okay, only one phone. And this video should not be edited. Don't write out any text on it. Don't use any filter. Don't use nothing. Just send the video like it was taken. Okay, so it's like that. And you can place people one of you or behind you. So for moving, for dancing with you like you want. And you can do it by yourself or with some other people. You can do it by yourself or in a group. I think for this condition, it is very clear. Okay? Now we're gonna go to the third rules of this competition. You have 4 days to send the video. The first day starts the day after you receive the video. I'm gonna read again. You have 4 days to send the video. The day first starts after the day you receive the video. What does that mean? If you receive the video today, the day one will be tomorrow. Okay? The tomorrow will be 1, after tomorrow 2, and 3, 4, and so on. It's like that. So now condition 4 or rule 4 or regulation 4, like you want. You must arrange the phone in landscape mode. It as if the phone was laying there. Rules 4. You must arrange the phone in landscape format, like it was laying down. Okay, I'm gonna show you how, because every time I said that, people still make this mistake. They use the wrong format. This is the landscape format. It was like the phone was laying down. Okay? Not like this. Like that. You should arrange the phone like that. Rule 5. You must dress and do your hair decently with nice clothes. You must dress and do your hair decently with nice clothes. What I mean, it's you're gonna use between all clothes that you have. I don't request anyone to go to the store to buy new clothes. Okay, so you're gonna choose between those you have, the good one, the best one, the beautiful one. Okay, and you're gonna dress yourself decently. And what I mean about do your hair decently, so just the arrangement, you're gonna do your hair decently, not to have your hair cut, not just arrange them decently and wear beautiful clothes when you're gonna make the video. Only that. I don't request anyone to go anywhere to buy anything. Okay, between those that you have, you're gonna choose the beautiful one, the best one, the good one. Okay, it's like this. Rule 6. You must look for a beautiful background to make the video. Rule 6. You must look at a beautiful background to make the video. What I mean in this condition. So, you know, to look like a professional, every time you make a video, you should have a good background, a good, beautiful background. Okay, so I don't know, you're gonna look for a beautiful place and put it in your background and just arrange your camera in the front and make the video. You should have a good background because your video should look like a professional video. Okay, so it is easy. If you have any difficulties, any problem, any trouble, and you need more days to make the video done, you should ask me. Okay, so if the 4 days are not enough to make done the video, so you can ask more days. If you don't ask, your video won't be received. I'm very clear on that. Okay, I give only 4 days to make the video. If you have any difficulties, any problem, any trouble with anything or anyone, you should text me or you should call me to ask me to give you more days. If you don't do that, your video won't be received. Okay, I'm very clear like that. In the previous edition, that happened. So some people didn't notify me about the problem, the difficulties, and after more than 4 days they sent me the video. I said no, I'm not gonna publish them on my YouTube channel for publication. Maybe you can participate in the next one, not this one, because you didn't respect the rules, the condition, the regulation. I'm very, very strict on that. Okay. Rule 7. If you do not respect those rules, you will be asked to redo the video. Rule 7. If you do not respect those rules, you will be asked to redo the video. There's nothing to explain in this condition. If you don't respect everything like it was said, you will be asked to redo the video. If you don't redo the video, you can't participate in the competition because all rules and regulations should be done exactly how I said it. Okay? Rule 8. After sending the competition video, you will make another smaller video separately with different clothes to introduce yourself. You will say your name, the country where you live in, and that you are very happy to participate in the Krak Teminato online competition, and thank you. Only that. Don't be too long. Okay? After sending the competition video, you will make another small video separately with different clothes to introduce yourself. You will say your name, your country, where you're living in, and that you are very happy to participate in the Krak Teminato online competition, and thanks. Or thank you, like you want. Okay? Only that. Don't be too long, because in the previous edition, in the fourth edition, the previous one, some participants took about 1 minute or 1 minute and 30 seconds to introduce themselves. I didn't understand. You know, they said their name, their country, like I said, that they are very happy to participate in this competition. After that, they said a lot of things. I said, why? Sometimes I cut them out and remove them to the introduction. You understand? Don't be too long in your introduction. Just introduce yourself, like saying your name, maybe your nickname or your artist name, the country that you are living, or the country that you come from, and that you are very happy to participate in this competition. You can say thank you, or thanks, thanks Krak Teminato, or thanks Krak Teminato on la competition, something like that, about 15 seconds. Only like that. Very simple. Okay? Rule 9. I will publish the video on the YouTube channel of the Krak Teminato online competition. I will give you the link so that you can promote it while sharing it on Facebook, Facebook group, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. So you can obtain, you can get, you can have many views, many likes, many comments, and many subscribers. Rule 9. I will publish the video on the YouTube channel of the Krak Teminato online competition, and I will give you the link of your video to promote it while sharing it on Facebook, Facebook group, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and so on, to obtain, to get, to have many views, many likes, many comments, many subscribers. Okay? That means if you choose to participate in this competition, that means you're gonna make a good promotion of your video. You will need a lot of views, a lot of likes, a lot of comments to win this competition. Okay? It doesn't belong to me to tell you that. You should know that by yourself, because you should have many views, many likes, many comments to win this competition. Okay, that means you can find a lot of people on Facebook, on Twitter, on TikTok, on Instagram. You can ask them to come to vote for you in your competition. Okay, so you will need them. You have to do a lot of promotion for your video. If you don't do that, you won't win. Okay, because you should show your talent. Okay, and after seeing your talent, they're gonna vote for you. Okay, it's like that. I'm gonna write the most important rules of this competition. Okay, to win the competition, you must be the participant who fulfill these 3 conditions together at the same time and first. If you miss one, you don't win. To win the competition, you must be the participant who fulfilled these 3 conditions together at the same time and first. If you miss one, you don't win. The first condition is you must be the first participant to reach 200,000 views. The second is you must be the first participant to reach 200,000 likes. And you must be the participant to reach 200,000 comments. Okay? You must be the first participant to reach 200,000 views. You must be the first participant to reach 200,000 likes. And you must be the first participant to reach 200,000 comments. I'm going to explain. For example, if you have 200,000 views, 200,000 likes, and you don't have yet 200,000 comments, and one other participant has, for example, 185,000 views, 184,000 likes, and 194,000 comments, he can be the winner, because if he will reach out them first, he will win the competition. If this participant reach out 200,000 views, 200,000 likes, and 200,000 comments, that's when you're gonna reach the 200,000 comments before you. That's when he will win the competition, because you, until now, you want to reach the 200,000 comments that you need. He will reach them before you. That means first together in the same time. This is how I can explain this condition. You should have the 200,000 views, the 200,000 likes, the 200,000 comments first together in the same time. Okay, I can get that. It's very clear. So you can lead the competition. That doesn't mean you're gonna win. You can almost win. That doesn't mean you're gonna win. Okay, because in the previous competition, the participant who won the competition needed only 1 week to win it, and there were other people that has about 3 weeks, 1 month, and 2 months in the competition. One participant came over in 1 week and won the competition. So it is like that. Rule 11. As soon as a participant has won, the competition will end automatically. As soon as a participant has won, the competition will end automatically. Every time I receive question about when the competition will be ended, every time a participant asks me this question, it is because they didn't pay enough attention with this condition. There was a date that the competition started, but there is no date for the competition to be ended, because I don't know when someone or when a participant gonna reach out all conditions. I don't know when one participant gonna reach out there's 3 conditions that I said before about reach out 200,000 views, 200,000 likes, 200,000 comments together first and in the same time. I don't know when one participant gonna reach them out. Okay, so there is no date for this competition to be ended. It will be depend on the participant or participant. Okay, so it is very clear. Once there is a winner, the competition will end automatically. Okay, now I'm gonna head to rule 12. For the second place and the third place to be eligible to receive the prime, there must be in this interval. If they are in this interval at the same time, they will not receive the prime. That means if you miss 1 interval out of 3, you won't receive the prime. I'm gonna wait again. For the second and the third place, to be eligible to receive the prime, they must be in this interval. If you are not in this interval at the same time, they will not receive the prime. That means if you miss one interval out of the three, you won't receive the prime. I'm gonna explain you those intervals. One, have between 195,000 views and 199,000 views. Two, have between 195,000 likes and 199,000 likes. The third one, have between 195,000 comments and 199,000 comments. You should be in this interval to be eligible to receive the prime for the second place and the third place. Automatically, when one participant won the competition, I'm gonna look at those intervals to see what participant will reach them out. So if you are out of those intervals, you can be second, you can be third, and you won't be eligible to receive the prime. Okay, I'm very strict on this condition. I'm gonna explain a little bit. So to be eligible to receive the second place prime, the third place prime, you should be in those intervals. What are those intervals? The first one is having between 195,000 and 199,000 views. The second, having between 195,000 and 199,000 likes. The third one is having between 195,000 and 199,000 comments. You should be in those intervals in the same time to be eligible to receive the prime for the second place and the third place. The condition 13, the rule 13 or the regulation 13, if you want, how you will receive the money. You will receive the money by transfer method. You will receive the money, you will receive the prime by transfer method. Okay, it can be Western Union, MoneyGram, other transfer method. So I don't know which country that are gonna give the winner. So I'm gonna talk to the winner to see which way or with transfer method that will be easier for him to receive the money. I did say transfer method. Don't ask me for other things. Krak, Teminato, can you do this? Can you do that for me? Can you do other way? No, I said transfer method. Okay, it's very clear. Now I'm gonna go ahead to the last regulation, last rule, the last condition of this competition. To register, you will pay a fee of $15. To register, you're gonna pay a fee of $15. 15. Okay? To pay this fee, you can use Cash App, you can use Zelle, you can use PayPal, you can use transfer method. It can be Western Union, it can be MoneyGram, it can be other transfer method. So if you accept those conditions, those rules, those regulations, you can ask me to send you the details of the way that it will be easier for you to send the register fee. I think that it is very easy to win the competition. Only what you need is promote every day your video, so you can have a lot of views on Facebook group. For example, on Facebook, one group can have about 3,000 people or 50,000. Some of them 100,000. And I used to see some of them can reach about 300,000, 400,000 members. So if you share your video on those group and ask them to go to vote for, to like for you, to comment for you, I think that maybe 1 week you can reach the target and you can win the competition. So it is very easy. You can share them also on Twitter. You can find a lot of views, a lot of likes, comments on Twitter, Instagram, and other social media applications. I wish you good luck, and I hope that you will be the winner of the 5th edition of the Krak Teminato online competition. Thank you.